Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine, and there is a quick update from the OpenCode. Now they are allowing us that we can use the Grok or X Premium subscription with the OpenCode for the development purpose, because later we have an access to use the X AI for the development, but now if you have a subscription, then you can integrate with the OpenCode and you can use it for the development. Okay, if we click on the setting icon there and click on the provider, and we need to search about the XAI. Just type the XAI and here you will see, and here you have the three options there. Like you can use the API key, which is the old method, that we can use the X API key, and we need to pay according to the tokens, input and output tokens. But now they have added this option, XAI Grok or authentication. Just click on that, and now we need to click on that link, and it will ask us that okay, here we need to approve, allow, and we are good to go with that. And if we see here under the providers, XAI custom has been connected, and if I start the new session and just you will see there the Grok 4.3 and Grok build 0.1. and okay, what's your model name and who is your provider, and we are good to go with that one. And even you can now use for the development, but right now I'm not going to demonstrate all the things. In another lecture I will work on out, and we will compare the Grok with other LLMs regarding the results. So guys, this is the quick update that I want to share with you guys. So guys, see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.